I'm going to walk you through the process of adding custom products and photography to Printavo. So first of all, I'm going to go to the upper right-hand corner of Printavo, and I'm going to select My Account. Once I see the options in the panel to the left, I'm going to scroll down to Custom Products. In Custom Products, there's two ways to add products. The first way would be to select New Product, enter all of the data for that new product, and then click on Create Product. The second method for adding products is to use the Import Products feature. So I'm going to click on Import Products, and then there's detailed instructions for downloading an Excel template file, adding all the data to the columns in the Excel template, and then uploading a CSV file based on that template to upload and import those new products into Printavo. Once you've added custom products, you can add any of those products as a line item to your quote. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to select a new line item. I'm going to go over here and select screen printing as my method of printing. I'm going to go over here and type in Yeti to locate my custom Yeti tumbler that I've added. I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to add a quantity. Once I've done this, I can also add an imprint. So I'm going to go over here to Imprint. I'm going to select the imprint type. In this case, I'm going to select screen printing. This is going to be a 3-color image. And then I'm going to select Done. After I've added the imprint, I'm going to use the Mockup Creator to add the product imagery. So I'm going to go over here to Mockup Creator, and then I'm going to add a custom blank image to the mockup. So I'll click on Custom Blank. I can either select images that are stored on a cloud drive such as Google Drive or Dropbox, or in this case, I'm going to select an image that's on my local hard drive. I'm going to click on the plus icon to upload the image. In this case, I'm going to navigate to the folder where I've stored the images. It's a best practice to name the images consistently with the way you've named them in Printavo. In this case, I'm going to select the Yeti 30-ounce tumbler. I'm going to click on Open, and then I'm going to select Upload. The next step would be to add a design. So I'm going to select Add Design. Again, I'm going to go to my hard drive, click on the plus button, and I'm going to navigate to my art files. Once I've selected a file, I'll click on Open and then Upload. I'm going to reposition the graphic on the tumbler, click on Save Mockup, and then return to my quote. Once I've completed adding the mockup, I'm going to select Save and Finish. I'll be able to see a preview of what the customer will see by clicking on More Actions and Public Invoice View. The customer will also be able to click on the thumbnail to see a full-size preview. Product images are readily available through supplier websites. This technique also works well in case you want to use a different product image than the image that's supplied in the Printavo product feed. Using this technique, you can create custom images for any products or also bulk upload promotional products and link them to supplier photography for mockups.